Welcome to our website, and thank you for trusting Tech4RE.com for all of your real estate tech education and needs. We offer ADRE CE credits in all categories, including the Triennial Code of Ethics, the mandatory class needed from the National Association of Realtors. We also have pre-recorded CE classes that can be accessed anytime from anywhere. These videos can be stopped at any time and to be picked up later on, whether that be an hour later or weeks later. We also offer computers where we set these up for you, integrating our many years of real estate knowledge and Realtor tech tools into these beautiful, super light, super fast, and touchscreen computers. They will act as your iPad, Nook, Kindle, Galaxy, Mac, PC, desktop, and laptop, all wrapped up into one device. We also give one-on-one lessons and group lessons guaranteed to change the way you do your real estate business. Feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns. Thank you, and looking forward to working with you.